It already start. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, let's start. Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. Yeah, I try to level up my voice. Sounds so different, right? Sounds so unique than my previous video. So actually my previous video was uh was created by someone who just going back from his work, so that's why he he made it was in a tired, so that's why the voice is low. The voice also is a little bit difficult for me as well, and also for you to hear and also to understand it, because yeah, it was created from feeling tired. Okay, but now guys, I uh try to be more confident for nowadays, because this is really important. Oh, okay. Yeah, really important. So I fairly often use that word, or fairly important word. Yeah, because everything is really important. Because everything just important. So whenever you wake up, whenever you are going to your workplace, whenever you are working on a project with your friends, whenever you get onto the bus, whenever you step out of your room and get back, yeah, everything. So that's why I try I try to influence you about the important, because everything is important. Okay, guys. So everything is important. We can create something from that things, from the things that um we might be say it, or we might be see it a little one. But after we see it, we have a look with deeper, and so that you will find the the important of from that things. But okay, so let's straight out to the topic, guys. For nowadays, I want to share you about my experience. But actually, on previous video, I already say a little bit about my experience while we were hiking the mountains. So I was hiking the mountain with my coworkers, and I remember that was really nice experience. Remind that was our first time as a hiker, and also most of us just most of us were beginner, so we was really excited at that moment. But I just want to show you something about the scene. So look at the scene.
Guys, kita ada di gunung apa ini namanya? Gunung Gede. Gunung Gede. Ya. We are ready.
So we are going to the mountain for today, guys. So prepare yourself. Okay, so I influence my friends to go to my video. Yeah, to go to my video, because I fairly often film myself, record myself in the front of them, so they know me. They know me as a vloggers. Yeah, they know me as a vlogger. So I try to influence them. I try uh I try to say something, to talk in English, and so they they follow me talking in English. That was really heartwarming. Yeah, guys. And also, you know, like that was the starting point before we continue to the submit. So this actually just the 1 hour before I upload for the full video of our journey while we were hiking in the mountain. So I think I need to tell you, I have to tell you from the starting video for the one as a 1 hour before I show you up the real video about it. So I think so that's the experience for today's. That's the um for the session for today. And so let's continue for the next activity, guys. Thank you.